matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko, pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
This birthday, Daddy. You have fun tonight and thank you for all the sacrifices that you brought. You would be anywhere near your mom if it were God. And thank you for telling and everything else and sharing and you're my hero and first love. Thank you for everything you've done for us and tonight, and I love you so much, Dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy 60th birthday. Thank you, Daddy, for everything that you've done for me and para ate, kalaki ka pa. Thank you for everything sa inyo ni Mami. And I wish you all the best. Good health, Daddy, and I hope you'll never get tired of loving us and taking care of us and being good with us. Actually, sa akin ni ate, kasi lagi kami kasama, and we love you so much, and I'm so proud na ikaw ang daddy namin. We love you, Daddy, and I will always be your baby no matter what. Thank you, Daddy, for everything, and happy anniversary sa inyo ni Mommy. I love you too. Mwah! Bye!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
happy birthday to my one great big love of my life. Happy 60th, Daddy. And thank you so much sa lahat-lahat ng love, support, guidance, advice, and lahat-lahat sa aming lahat. From me, your kids, our two apos, Jed and Laloy. We love you, Daddy. Stay happy and healthy all the time. Happy 60th. I love you so much. Mwah!
Ang nakalimutan